Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. What are the messages for you, Gemini? Messages for Gemini. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Libra or Pisces. Under the deck, King of Wands, Knight of Wands, and King of Swords. I think you are taking your control back, Gemini. You are concentrating on yourself, on your self growth, but someone is coming towards you. For some, it could be a new person, for some, it could be a past person, depending on your situation. But this person is very, very passionate about you. But at the same time, this person may be in and out of your life. So let's see your reading. Recent past, High Priestess, Justice with Moon. So there are some issues, there are some arguments or trust issues between you and your person. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. Maybe they are not giving any commitment. They are in and out of your life. So you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. Yeah, I think a lot of illusions and a lot of trust issues between you and your person, Gemini. Then present 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and Knight of Cups. So you are concentrating on your career, on your abundance. You want to achieve your goals. So that's why you are working hard to achieve your goals. And at the same time, you are taking your control back. And you want to give clarity to your person because Queen of Swords energy, you are setting boundaries. And Knight of Cups. Even though you have strong emotions towards this person, but you are setting boundaries because there is no trust. And at the same time, there is no equal give and take. For some third party involved in this connection, third party means family, friends, or other man or other woman. For some, a new person is entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you. Future Chariot, 5 of Cups, and 8 of Wands. So, yeah, you are trying to move on from this person. But, yeah, it is difficult for you because you love this person a lot. You are in 5 of Cups energy. You are missing them. You are feeling sad. And 8 of Wands. There is lots of communication is coming in future. Someone will communicate. Lots of communication you will receive. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Libra, Pisces, or Cancer. So, Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Hangman, High Priestess with the Emperor. I think your person is also very independent and they are also listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition, and Hangman. Right now, they're thinking about you and they're feeling stuck and they're spiritually awakening regarding this relationship. So, let's see their current feelings and intentions. They're thinking about you a lot. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. They are obsessed with you. They're juggling. At the same time, they want to say apology to you. Maybe in past they did hurt you, Gemini. Yeah, they are planning to come back, but still your person may be confused. Maybe they're scared. But right now they're missing you. They're realizing you both Gemini because 9 of Swords energy they are in. And the Devil. Definitely they are obsessed with you. For some, this person may be toxic for you. No clarity. They are always in and out of your life. So let's see their intentions. Eight of Swords. Six of Swords. Lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Gemini. Could be another Gemini. Or Cancer especially. So right now they are stuck on you. They're feeling stuck. And they want to fix the things between both of you. But action wise, to be honest with you, yeah, they're missing you right now. They're missing you. They're suffering in silence. Yeah. They're going through a tough moment. They want to fix things between you and your person, but they are unable to make any move. But they will, but it will take so much time because they are in confusion and they are very, very slow moving energy, Gemini. Yes. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they do love you. They have strong emotions towards you and they want reconciliation and they want celebrate their life with you because Four of Wands. With Four of Cups, they are missing you so much. Maybe right now your person is guarded up, but they're thinking about you a lot. They're missing you. The Star. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. I think you also want rebirth in this connection, but you are concentrating on your career. And regarding this relationship, you also have some doubts. But somewhere you also want rebirth in this connection, and at the same time you are seeing your future without this person. Maybe you are changing your view. You don't want to depend on anyone, Gemini. You are fed up with this energy, waiting or they playing games with you. You are fed up with all those. That's why you tried. You totally tried. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. There is some communication with clarity is coming regarding long-term commitment, regarding marriage. Yeah. Maybe they're spying on you a lot or you are spying on them. Children's also involved in this connection. New opportunities for you, Gemini, in finances and career. I think there will be some communication and clarity is coming, but it will take some time because right now your person feeling stuck and they're missing you. Right now they are in suffering in silence. But you are taking your control back. You know how to control your emotions, Gemini. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I will never forget you. Don't leave me behind. Marriage. For some, maybe one person may be already married. Please wait for me. I realized my mistake. Yes, they are realizing their mistake. And I feel so alone. So the messages are, they feel so alone. They will never forget you. Don't leave me behind. Marriage. They realize their mistake and please wait for me. So these are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Okay, conclusions. Oh, sorry, 3 cards. That's why I'm not taking. What do you need to release? So if you are thinking about your person negatively, so you have to release all the negative thoughts because sometimes negative thoughts also creates resistance in the connection. And a time for healing, Blasmic Moon. So if you have any past still you are holding on. So this is the message for you. You have to heal yourself completely, especially from past. Do meditation to heal yourself completely. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.